What's up guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Severa Boutique Resort sa lungsod ng Carcar, Cebu. At grabe napakaganda ang lugar na to guys, nagustuhan talaga namin dahil napaka-peaceful at maraming mga puno, ito talaga ang hinahanap namin ng maraming puno para naman hindi mainit sa loob ng tent. At dito nagsimula na kaming mag-assemble ng aming tent, bibilisan lang natin para hindi kayo mainip sa panonood, at para hindi kayo lalong mainip, lagyan pa natin ng music.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Never the same. Whenever you're calling my name, I'm taking my sweet time. Hey, whatever the plan, I know I'm holding the best of me out of my head.
At dahil gabi na, nag-umpisa na ang aking magandang asawa sa pag-ihaw ng aming ulam ngayong hapunan. At pasensya na kung madilim ang kuha ko dito dahil hindi ko naisip na kailangan pala ng ilaw na nakatutok sa subject, ang buong akala ko ay sapat na ang ilaw namin. Dito ko na lang nalaman nung tiningnan ko yung video, anyway dito ko talaga, masasabi na ang experience is the best teacher. At kung nagustuhan mo tong video, pakiclick naman ang subscribe button. Maraming salamat!
I hear you been asking about me, where I've been and where I sleep. It's hard to find me if you really want to. Turns past that takes a cool sign. Same ball cap, same old boots, trying to outrun the thought of you. But in this town the truth don't stop. You can't live in a town this small. You can change your mind, but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't leave in a town this small. I moved on, but not too far. Just down the road from who we are. You can change your hair, change your street, but you cannot run.